Every beginner prepper stacks mountains of rice and beans, but a carb-only stockpile is a death sentence for your nutrition when the grid goes down. If you want to survive without starving from the inside out, you need hyper-dense nutrients that the amateurs completely overlook. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, and this is the 5 secret survival foods most preppers forget. Let's go. Number 1. Pemmican, the ultimate historical survival ration. A mix of dried meat and rendered tallow, it requires 0 refrigeration, provides pure fat and protein, and can literally last for decades. Number 2. Nutritional yeast. Eating only grains will destroy your B vitamin levels. Nooch is a shelf-stable powerhouse that prevents malnutrition and adds a massive, morale-boosting cheese flavor to bland survival foods. Number 3. Chia seeds, the ancient Aztec endurance fuel. Just 1 tablespoon absorbs massive amounts of water, keeping you hydrated and physically full while you are on the move. Number 4. Powdered heavy cream. Amateurs buy powdered skim milk, but survival requires dense fats. Powdered heavy cream turns a watery bowl of oats into a high-calorie survival meal. Number 5. Dried kelp, the ultimate forgotten mineral. Dried seaweed has an infinite shelf life, takes up almost no space, and provides critical iodine to protect your thyroid during a crisis. Don't let your food stockpiling plan fail because you only bought the basics. Upgrade your pantry today. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore survival tactics, and I'll see you next time.